It's a new month, and we have a new mail call. And we got some fish on the back. This could only be from the one, the only Silver Oceans. Let's get into this. Silver Oceans sent me a thank you card. This is already too nice. Hey Campbells, thank you so much for watching my videos. Your support means a lot to me. Your friend, Ocean, Silver Oceans. Well, thank you, dude. And here we have his sticker, Silver Oceans. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, it provides a lot of good insights on the market and what we could possibly see with future dips, future surges in prices, and what's really kind of going on. And just a great channel to watch. And he sent me, dude, you sent me a dime. That is so nice. Silver Oceans, thank you so much for that. That's way too kind. If you want to send me anything, here's my P.O. box, and I'll have it down in the description below. But thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys, too kind with this stuff. Thank you so much, Oceans. I really appreciate it. You guys check out his channel. Let's move on to some unboxing of gold and silver. Probably recognize the packaging job. This is from Golden State Mint. We have another Silver Shield release. If you guys are not a fan of Silver Shield, you can skip ahead in the video, I guess. But if you are, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who do not know, I have an Instagram page. It's same as my handle here on YouTube. It's called Campbell's Coins. And on that Instagram page, I do a buyer's group for the Silver Shield products. And every week I will put up a picture in my story asking who wants to be part of the pre-order for this buyer's group. And some people will message me saying, hey, I'm in. And some people aren't interested, and that's cool. But what I do is I do cost plus shipping. So there is no additional cost to you other than what I am charged off of Golden State Mint's website. So if you're looking for some Silver Shield products, hit me up on Instagram. And like I said, cost plus shipping. I don't add anything else to it. This week's is a mini mintage. It's World War Meme number 8, 2021 redacted, proof silver, 1 troy ounce, proof medallion, number 769 out of 1369. And I have a few more in the box that you saw here. These are going out to the other pre-orders. And here we have it. So if you see like any, that's just dust in there. It's just a really cameo, ultra cameo, really deep proof. This is Thomas Jefferson holding the Bill of Rights while it's on fire. He's also gagged. This is just a really powerful piece, and I'm happy this is heading into my collection. So those who are part of the Silver Shield group, buyers group, you guys are going to have that out to you shortly. And let's move on to the next unboxing. This one here, from a store that I talk about quite often. As you can see, they package it very, very well. It's like a crush-proof box with some anti-tear tape. And he goes, yes, kilo gold grain bottles were in this bag. Wow, that is shameful, really, considering how heavy that would be. And I know it's not Avenue Coin who's doing this, it's the people shipping it to them. Usually it's Metal Ore, and apparently they have not been shipping that great lately. Bear with me while I cut some of these open. He wrapped them up a little too well. I guess nothing can be wrapped too well. First item is 2021 American Gold Eagle, and this is the Type 2 design. Now I did a video like a week or two ago about the Type 2 design for the Silver Eagle and how much I hated it. I don't hold that same vitriol for the Type 2 Gold Eagles. I'm not a fan of them, but I don't hate them. The Type 2 Silver Eagles, I just do not like. I saw the proofs when the proofs were released, especially like the San Francisco proof. I do like that design in the proof. However, I'm still going back to the US Mint's quality control, because every single proof that I saw had probably a quarter of the coin covered in milk spots. And I think that's just shameful. They can do a whole lot better job. I mean, you saw the Silver Shield proof. This is a private company, right? Anything that you see on there, like this is all dust and stuff on the capsule, so it's not actually on there. There's no milk spots all over this thing like there is on those Type 2 Proof Eagles. Plus you're paying like $73 a pop for those. That is not worth it. So I got a 1/4 ounce Type 2 American Gold Eagle. This goes into my emergency cash stash. And my next one is also another thing I don't have. And that is a 1 ounce Canadian maple leaf. I have a whole lot of 1/4 ounce maple leafs, but no 1 ounce coins. This is a 2021. And I'm happy to have it because it has all the security features that were recently added to it. But this is a really, I wanted to have one. This is really cool. And the coup d'etat is a 2019 W Buffalo Proof graded Proof 70 Ultra Cameo. This coin is sick. Let me back out just a little bit on the zoom. I just love the fields. It's mesmerizing. This is just a really, really nice coin. I've always wanted to proof Buffalo, and every single time it's in a capsule, and I'm kind of like, meh, I'm not really sure I want to pay that much more. This was a good deal, and it's a proof 70, and if I'm not mistaken, the 2019 W is it's either the second lowest mintage or it is the absolute lowest mintage proof Buffalo in the 1 ounce version out there. I don't know what the 2020 numbers are exactly, and I do not know what the 2021 numbers will be either, but this is either the second lowest or the lowest mintage, and I just think that's cool. If you have a chance to get a gold Buffalo proof, do it, because it exceeded my expectations by and far. Okay, enough of that. And then actually, he sent me something that I was really shocked by. This was not part of my order, so I don't know if he sent it by mistake, but I'm still going to show it off to you. So, this little tiny guy here is a 100-gram Germanium Mint bar. And I just want to give you some context here. So this is a 100-gram bar. This is their 1,000-gram kilo bar. Quite a size difference. But if you are interested in any of these 100-gram bars, Avenue Coin Inc., you can find them on Instagram. You can call them up, and I will put their phone number and Instagram link in the description of this video. They have a lot of these at a really good price. Let's take a look at them. And it's just like, it's this little itty bitty thing. This is so cool. Okay, so even the little tiny ones come wrapped in that plastic. And I just did a video a couple weeks ago, a week ago, or something like that, about the plastic that surrounds this. And I reached out to Germania Mint and I said, hey, you know, some of my viewers are asking, does this plastic contain PVC? And they say, yes, it does. However, it is a very minimal amount to the plasticizers within it to allow it to be somewhat bendy and to wrap and to seal. without damaging the silver. And they've done some tests, some very extensive tests of it with copper, and I guess copper is the one that reacts the most with the PVC, and they found that it did not create the PVC to leach onto the copper after extensive testing with the plastic that they use and the paper container that they use, because they look at the ink that goes into the paper. If there's something with sulfur in it, they do not want any of that. Same thing with the ink. All those things can damage the silver, and so Germania Mint looked at all those things to look at their packaging and see what can we do to improve this. And like I said, I am not paid by Germania Mint. I'm not paid by Avenue Coin. This is just product that I believe in. So aside from the packaging being fantastic and them checking it to make sure that it has the best quality in there for the price, each of these bars is stamped. It's a cast bar, right? They're stamped with the Germania Mint brand. You have the name. 49's fine. 100 grams, and then below that is the serial number. So I have 02121. That's kind of cool. B02121. And then on the back you have the Germania Mint hologram, which is slightly different than the one that's on my 1000 gram. See how the hologram is also within the shield and then halfway across, and this one is the complete thing. Yep, I like that. I think that's cool. So this is the 100 gram, and this is the 1000 gram, and these are excellent silver bars with a very, very low premium compared to a lot of other silver out there. You are going to find a lot of silver, even now with the price dropping, it's still like $3, maybe $4 over. And I found this stuff at around $250, I would want to say, $250 over spot. That's a good price. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank Avenue Coin for the excellent gold purchases here and very fast and accurate shipping. I want to thank, huge thanks to Silver Oceans. Great channel, and very nice of him to send out this card. A lot of us are very, very busy, and to take the time out to do something like that, it means the world to me. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Ocean. All right, that's going to do it for me. Thank you all for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.